Philippians chapter 4, verse 13, it says, I can do all things through Christ. I have a very small prayer for you this hour, and I want you to take advantage of this anointing. Please be able to solve whatever is a challenge to you right now. Because through Christ, He gives you an ability to do all things. You may be stuck in a moment right now and you feel like you cannot do it, but I want to give you an assurance that through Christ, you are able to do all things. You owe somebody you can't pay. Through Christ, you are able to do all things. I pray that you may be given a revelation and bring up a solution to whatever is in front of you. This is my prayer for this month, this season, that you are able to solve everything through Christ. I invite the Lord for you. I invite His anointing for you so that you can be able to solve whatever is in front of you, which is making it so difficult for you to think, to operate. Through Christ, you are able to do all things. And I invite that anointing in your life. God bless you. God bless you.